Librarian Fast Lane. Find out more about free legal help. Some people wipe out on curves when looking for legal help online. Librarians know how to help people find their way to the information they are looking for. This brief presentation will highlight some online resources for low-income people in Louisiana. We hope this information helps you in your work with library patrons. Finding free legal help and information on the web can be like a trip to unknown territory. LouisianaLawHelp.org gives people a roadmap to helpful information and resources. You may have heard about Law Help. Louisiana's Law Help site had a makeover recently, and it is now called LouisianaLawHelp.org. This site is a good starting point for people looking for help or information. The Find Legal Help tab on www.louisianalawhelp.org is a quick way to connect patrons with programs that offer free legal help. The Find Legal Help tab near the top of the page takes the site visitor to a list of programs that offer free legal help in Louisiana. You can search the list by program name or by parish. Here's how. If you pick Search by Program Name, you will go to this screen with an alphabetical list of programs that offer free legal help. If you pick Search by Your Parish, you will go to this screen where you can choose a parish to see what programs operate there. Some programs on the list are legal services offices supported by the Legal Services Corporation, where people must meet certain criteria to qualify for free help. Other programs may be pro bono programs that try to match volunteer attorneys with people who need help. The list includes programs with a certain focus, like the Advocacy Center, which helps senior citizens and people with disabilities. Here is more information about the legal services programs in Louisiana. The Legal Services Corporation supports 3 free legal services programs in Louisiana. Here is a map of the service area for each program. Each program has its own website with more information about that organization. Here is an image of the home page of Acadiana Legal Service Corporation's website, www.la-law.org. Here is an image of the website homepage for Legal Services of North Louisiana, Inc., www.lsnl.org. Here is an image of the homepage for Southeast Louisiana Legal Services website, www.slls.org. There is an online form people can use to apply for help from Southeast Louisiana Legal Services. Here are some other places LouisianaLawHelp.org can take you. Click the Spanish Español tab to take you to the Spanish version of the site, with many resources in that language. The Representing Yourself area below has self-help resources for people who cannot find a lawyer, including multimedia presentations, glossaries of legal terms, and for some issues, there are online forms people can complete on the computer. Visitors can see all topics on the site by clicking Look for your legal issue near the top of the screen. Some topics also have a green icon and text on the home page. Nine topic areas are featured with green icons on the home page, and the site has more than a dozen broad topic areas overall. Each topic page has a list of more specific issues for that area. If you pick Family and Children, then Adoption, you'll see a page like this. The site takes you to the Know Your Rights page first, and the visitor can also go to Helpful Resources, Self-Help, and other tabs on the left for other kinds of adoption resources. Here's the Adopción, adoption page, from the Spanish LouisianaLawHelp.org site. Visitors can also click on any language listed under More Languages to see items for any of the languages listed there. More destinations. Visit www.lawhelp.org to find information and resources for other states. Here's the National Law Help homepage at www.lawhelp.org. Click any state name to go to that site in the network. Some states do not use the lawhelp.org format. You can give LouisianaLawHelp.org a hand by sending in links to resources that you come across in your work, or by offering other comments and suggestions. Do you get queries from people looking for opportunities to help others? There's a site for that, too. Probono.net/LA has information for Louisiana pro bono and public interest advocates, including a page about volunteer opportunities. Here is Probono.net/LA's homepage. Probono.net/LA has information for Louisiana pro bono and public interest advocates. Like Law Help, Probono.net/LA is part of a national network of sites. This is the National Probono.net site. On the left side of the page are links to sites for different states or for special topics, like the Military Pro Bono Project site and the National Disaster Legal Aid site. Here's a list of the national sites linked to. Here's the Military Pro Bono Project site. Here's the National Disaster Legal Aid site. Here is the volunteer page of www.probono.net/LA. There is a multimedia presentation about the site in general and links to organizations that often need volunteers. LouisianaLawHelp.org has brochures linked to on the lower right-hand side of the homepage to print and display at your library. Many thanks to the Technology Initiative Grant Program of the Legal Services Corporation for its generous support. Thank you for watching. This is a presentation by Southeast Louisiana Legal Services, a non-profit provider of free legal help to low-income people across 22 Louisiana parishes. Find more resources on www.louisianalawhelp.org.